Welcome to the LG Customer Support Channel. In this video, we will show you how to properly clean and care for your LG French door refrigerator. Frequent cleaning of your refrigerator can help prevent odors. Before beginning, always make sure to unplug or disconnect the power to your refrigerator. Remove all adjustable parts such as shelves, crispers, and bins. Please keep in mind that glass shelves are often heavy and may require special care when moving them. Also, do not clean glass shelves with warm water while they are still cold. In order to remove and prevent odors, clean the inside walls of your refrigerator by creating a mixture using 2 tablespoons of baking soda with 1 quart of warm water. Make sure that the baking soda is completely dissolved. Proceed to clean with a clean sponge or soft cloth. To clean the door liners, gaskets, covers, and panels, use a clean sponge or soft cloth and a mild detergent in warm water. The same cleaning techniques can also be used to care for the stainless steel exterior of your LG French door refrigerator. Don't use abrasive or harsh cleaners, and remember to dry thoroughly with a soft cloth once you are finished.